Right. I don't even have social media at all.
Ah, you don't like social media?
I don't have Facebook. I don't have Instagram. I don't have nothing.
Ah, so where are you from? Are you from Earth or another planet?
I used to have it. I used to have it. Everything. I used to have everything, but it doesn't bring any happiness in my life. It's nothing good for me.
Sometimes. Yeah.
Hi.
Hello, Brandy. How are you?
Good. I will have to tell you, I will have to end our class early since it was late.
Yeah. That's my fault. I'm so sorry. I was calling my another reservation, and I didn't notice that I had our reservation is starting because my tutor has like an issues with her connection and as well as my connection. So
Oh,
I figure out
it's okay.
our reservation is starting like since 9 minutes ago. So I'm so sorry for being late.
It's okay.
So
Okay,
I
no
thought
problem.
I thought myself, oh my guys, this is the first session with the Brandy, and I came so very late.
It's okay. It's no problem.
So I have to tell you something. I would like to share this video on YouTube. So can you give me your permission? So I have to ask you before we
Yeah, I know.
upload this session.
Yeah, I know. I don't really like my videos posted all over YouTube.
Yeah.
Some people have done.
Why?
I don't know. I don't really like it.
Why?
Um,
I'm going to make you famous because my channel has 2 million subscribers. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, a lot of people do it without my permission, and
Yeah,
it makes me not.
that's very bad.
Yeah, it makes me not want
Yeah.
my videos to be posted because of that.
Yeah,
You know
that's
what I
very
mean?
bad because because you know sometimes we speak this in this private class, like sometimes we mention about personal stuff, and we don't like to be on YouTube or another social media. So I'm responsible for that. So I I used to ask my tutors before I upload any session, or I used to message them, and sometimes before the class or after the class. Sometimes I have to edit the personal things.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
understand, but some people don't. There's a lot of videos of
yeah.
me on YouTube, and there's only been like 2 that I gave permission to. So I can't control it, and Cambly doesn't really do anything about it. So
Yeah, but you know, recently Cambly like put their rules about this stuff. Like you have to ask your tutors about their permission to upload the session on YouTube. Like a few months ago, they put their
yeah, I
these
seen the rules.
rules. Yeah. And it's
Yeah,
real
I
good.
seen the rules.
It's real good for the routers because some people they don't want to be on YouTube.
Right. I don't even have
Yeah.
social media at all.
Ah, you don't like social media?
I don't have Facebook. I don't have Instagram. I don't have nothing.
Ah, so where are you from? Are you from Earth or another planet?
I used to have it. I used to
Yeah,
have it.
yeah,
Everything. I used to have everything, but it doesn't bring any happiness in my life. It's nothing good for
yeah.
me.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
sometimes it's a waste of time. Yeah. I
Yeah.
actually I envy you. I wish I could live without all this stuff and live like our normal life in like 19s when where's the just television and we have we small talk with our family member. It's
Right.
very good. More than like the social media. Like, for example, here the families, or in other countries, the families like separated in rooms and connecting
See,
with
I don't
other
like that.
people. You know?
Yeah, I don't like that. So I don't have social media because I like spending time with my family, with my son, my husband, and I work
Yeah.
a lot. I work a lot. So there's more to life than just scrolling on your phone.
Wow! Don't tell me about about scrolling. my, this finger witness about my
Oh
scrolling.
my gosh. See, no way. The
So
only
what about
thing,
you mentioned your husband. You have a husband. Does your husband like share your thought about this stuff like social media?
yeah, he has a social media, but
Yeah.
he checks the news like on
Yeah.
Facebook, and he uploads pictures of us on Instagram, and like
Yeah.
his family like keeps in touch with him sometimes, but he doesn't even use it.
Sorry, I didn't catch the last word.
Oh, I said he doesn't even use it. So
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah. I got you. I got you. So you guys, you are equal.
yeah, because there's nothing good on
Yeah.
there. You're wasting your life by doing this.
Really.
This is
I
wasting your life.
yeah. But did I get your permission to upload this video or not?
I guess.
I'm gonna give you $1 million.
You're crazy.
No, I'm just kidding with you. So thank you so much for your time, and you've been so helpful with me today. Thank you for
Yes.
handling me.
It's no problem. I'm glad I got to meet you.
I'm eager to call you very early next time, and
It's okay.
yeah,
It's okay. I guess my meeting is being postponed, so
yeah, exactly.
it's no problem.
So thank
Great
you
to
so
meet
much,
you.
and see you soon.
Okay, great to meet
Thank
you.
you, Mickey.
All right, bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.